neutral.
The Congress party, which recently suffered a massive blow in Meghalaya after 3 legislators deserted the party, is confident of revival in the state. Congress lone MLA Ronnie V. Lingdwa said that the party is gaining strength nationally and even in Meghalaya. People from different backgrounds are willing to join the party. He said that the people still have trust in the party and it's only a matter of time when the party will regain its full strength in Meghalaya as well as in other states.
It's the tendency or the trend. When you're out of power, then people tend to gravitate less towards that party which is out of power. So I think now with as you just said, that at the national level, the party has been gaining strength and we've been improving the number of seats that we have won. I believe that will act as a kind of motivation for other people to, those who have left the party to rejoin the party, and those who are interested in active politics can join the Congress party.
The 77th